Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're doing a common problem with vehicles that the hood winds up coming down and cracking you in the head when you're working on it. I call it a concussion hood because a lot of times you'll be working on it, as with this one here. I'm working on it, and as I'm working, the hood comes crashing down on the back of your head. So this customer I did talk to, and they decided they wanted me to change these hood struts here. They go bad frequently. So, and the way I keep her from falling while I was working on it is I actually put a pair of vice grips on it to keep her from falling down. But now we're going to go ahead and replace the hood struts with the new ones. And I'm going to show you how to do that step by step, and we'll wrap this job up and out the door, and hopefully it won't hit anybody in the head again. All right, let me show you what to do. Okay, and now this is how you would replace the strong arm with a new one. I did that side already. That's why these pliers are on here, because it fell down by itself. What you do is you get in here with a short little screwdriver, and you go underneath this little tab here, and you pry this clip off here. That's the clip that's actually right on here. You go underneath this with a screwdriver. I'll show you here. You go underneath this with a screwdriver and you pry this clip off, and then you can pull this off, right? So we take this clip off, then we come up over here. We do the same thing. You go underneath this clip here. And you pry the clip off. Like that. I'm just going to put that off to the side for now. And the replacement, when you put the replacement on, you just put this on like this, and you push it, and it snaps in. And the same thing here, you just rotate the strut, put it on, and you push it. That, and that's it. All right, fairly easy when you know what you're doing, but basically, let me bring you in there, I'll show you. What you do is just go underneath that little clip right there, this little clip right here, you pry that clip off. All right, so that's pretty much it. You just get in here and you pry behind this with a screwdriver, small screwdriver. You do the exact same thing up on the top right here, and then you put the new one back on, pop it on, and you're good to go. And then the hood is actually, I'll show you. Stays up by itself, nice and tight. You don't have to worry about it coming down and giving you a concussion. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, send me an email. Be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.